In this video, we are going to be analysing KITT because this did move over 100% yesterday. So what are going to be key resistance levels if this momentum continues? And we'll be looking at 630. We can see we did actually hit that intraday, but this was our pullback level. And this was just because this is our statistical mean on the 6 month. So we would want to see a retest. Usually that's what we want to see anyway if we're breaking through these levels. So if we pull up the chart on here, we change this to an intraday chart. What we can see is, we could basically tap this level and sold off instantly. We tried it again and failed, and it looks like after hours we were trying to push to this level once again. So this is showing this 635 is actually really holding. And if we do finally break above it, what you want to see is a break above it, come back to retest it as a support, and if it holds, then you can expect a further move up. And because it's been struggling to break over it, this shows that this level is very solid. So if we are able to break it and start to test it as support, it could lead to quite another far breakout really. And that next target would be at around $7. If we break that, we're then looking at 835 / kind of 850 because we have our first deviation on the 6 month and statistical mean at that level. And if we break that, we're then looking at $10.50, $10, and then final levels to $12.50, $11.50, $12.75, $14.60, and the last one at $14.25. So obviously again, some of these levels are very far off and you don't need to pay attention to all of them. All you ever need to do is pay attention to the closest level. And what we mean by that is currently we are pushing towards this 635. So this, if you are more bullish on this stock, you want the upwards targets, then all your focus is on, can we break this level? If so, can we come back to test it as a support? If it holds, and that's the key thing, then we expect a push in time to $7. And then again, the same thing, if we break $7, we want to break above it, come back to test it as a support. And if it holds, then we can expect to push to around $8 if we continue up. Now, on the other hand, what are going to be key supports? And as of right now, we have a support at $5.60, $4.20, and a really final one at around $2.75 / $2. And really, we can see this stock, at least on the 1 year chart, it sold off so heavily that it became below the third deviation. And whenever you see this, usually on these smaller cap stocks, it's usually to the upside, and that's why we're more short bias on them. But we can see it still hasn't even reversed to its statistical mean on the 1 year chart. So really, this is one of the only times I'm going to say I'm actually more bullish on one of these small cap stocks. But obviously, do take into consideration it was up 100% yesterday, so you may see, well, you probably will see some people looking in profits, and this may end up making it pull back. But in time, I could actually definitely see it pushing back or continuing up at least for a bit, because usually we expect stocks to reverse to their mean, and so we could definitely see that happen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.